So guys, I am really hungry. So what I'm gonna make, I'm about to make me a chicken quesadilla, yes. But what I'm doing is, I'm making the chicken so fine and so tender. That's why I put the chicken broth in it. To make it, the chicken, almost, if probably like tuna. Its consistency is soft as tuna. Because like, I'm having all the soup and stuff, but I am so hungry. I think it's the antibiotics just doing this. I am extremely hungry. So that's what I'm making. I'm making it, but I'm just going to make it so fine where it's not going to be tough pieces. And then the quesadilla bread, I'm not going to cook that too as hard. It's going to be soft because I need something to go in my stomach. Like, I'm having severe hunger pains from just the soup. The soup don't cut it for me. So just kind of want to let y'all know that I'm going to cook this where it's fine, and I'm going to make it grind up like tuna because I'm hungry. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Toodles. Okay, so I'm going to spray my pan with butter cooking spray, and then I'm going to get my quesadilla bread. And I'm not going to cook it where it be crunchy like how I normally would. I'm going to take it, put it in there. And I tell y'all, I am so hungry that it is crazy. So let me show y'all the chicken. So y'all see I got the chicken. It's grinded up like tuna. So the chicken is grinded fine like tuna. It's grinded up like tuna. Okay. So I'm going to put some cheese. Normally I put green onions and stuff like that in it. I don't want any of that in it because of the chunkiness. And we're going to put some cheese in here. A little mozzarella cheese. Okay. And y'all know I'm going to have my avocado. So big, I fold it in half, kind of like this, and then I eat 2 halves of it. But when I tell y'all I'm so hungry, we're not going to cook this where the bread itself is hard. So the consistency of this chicken is like tuna. So y'all see I was able to eat the tuna. So that's how we're going to do it. And I'm not cooking the bread where the bread is going to be hard. The bread is going to be soft. My bread to be soft. I'm not going to cook it where it's hard. But yes, I just need something. I just been so hungry. So hungry that it's, so I take a little, this is some of that Red Lobster seasoning. Just put it on the outside of my bread. And then I'm going to do my avocados. Flip. Ooh, and we're not going to cook it hard. We don't want it to be hard. So I'm actually making the bread probably sort of kind of soggy. Sort of kind of, because you know I'm not supposed to have solid stuff. So I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to do my avocado. And mix up my avocado. And this is what I'm going to have. But I'm just so hungry. So I don't want to cook it long. Okay? So I'll cook it like that. But we don't want it to be, too hard. So then I'll just slice it into pieces, and then I'll be able to eat it with the guacamole. But it's soft. So you see my bread, it's not hard like I normally would cook it. It's actually soft. Well, you see, it's actually soft. It's not hard. So this is what I'm going to have today. I'm going to try this out because I'm too hungry. So I'll let y'all know how it tastes. Thanks for watching. Toodles. It would only be fair if I let y'all know if I'm able to eat it. Okay. It didn't affect my tonsils. I was able to swallow without any scratchiness. And like I said, my bread is soft. I made the bread soft. The chicken is soft. And of course, my avocado is soft. So I'm able to swallow. So I didn't put the onions and stuff in a guacamole, and because you know them onions be crunchy, so I'm trying to stay away. So as of far, me swallowing it and stuff, I didn't feel nothing off with my throat. So I'm gonna eat this today, and I got 2 halves for later. Thanks for watching. So me swallowing it, I don't feel any pain or anything like that, but I'm extremely hungry. So that's one thing that with people with the tonsillectomy, they lose a lot of weight because the stuff that we're not able to eat. So I am extremely hungry. So I'm grateful that I'm able to eat this chicken, get some protein in my body. All right, and the avocado. Thanks for watching. Toodles.